Karthik. Pretty efficient pull that last over, so showing some ability here. Imperative that the Karnataka Bulldozers find enough company for Rajiv, who's batting on 78 and looking good for another century, which will certainly help his team a great deal in the semi-final. Oh, Karthik, you need not flash, just take it easy. The single was always on. So will Rajiv get to another three-figure mark here today and take his team to a safe total? And what is a safe total? 180? Who knows? To figure that out, got to change the commentary box for the final few overs. It's Amol Mazumdar along with Sabah Karim.
Thank you, Charu. It's 134 for 3 at the moment. Rajiv going great guns on 78. And Karthik giving him good support at the other end. It's been an intriguing contest between bat and ball. There's a loud shout. Shabbir wants it badly, but negated by the umpire. Leg by is a call. The preferred area, Rajiv, for Rajiv has been the onside. He's picked his spot to perfection. Looks as if it's going to be a huge score to chase for Mumbai Heroes.
Such a strong position they are in now, the Bulldozers. Rajiv on 78 of only 42 deliveries. Compared to his last innings, this one was a tame start for him, but then suddenly he has accelerated. That was a no ball, slipped out of the fingers of Shabbir Ahluwalia. Has been called a no ball. Yeah, but talking about Rajiv, it is a different kind of innings this time around. He had to take more responsibility because he lost the wicket of his partner Bhaskar in the first delivery of this innings. So started off in a sedate manner, but then when it was required, he has accelerated quite well. Loud appeal and he's been given. So Shabbir Ahluwalia strikes again. This can turn things around. Oh, look at the faces of Karnataka Bulldozers. They are shell-shocked. Do they want to go for the DRS? Yes. It is Rajiv who's asked for the review.
It looked pretty adjacent, isn't it, Sabah? He tried to play towards the onside, which is a preferred area for him, and tried to play across the line, but we'll have to wait and watch and see the replays again.
So the original decision is out, and from the looks of it, it looked pretty straight to me. But as you said, Amoli was trying to whip it on the onside. First check the no ball. That is a legal delivery from Shabbir Ahluwalia, way inside the popping crease. That's not a problem at all. Now where did it pitch and where did it hit him? Look at the line and also the impact. That's okay. Move on, move on. So that's not an issue at all. That's done. Now where did it hit him? The angle looks fine. Oh yes, he's gone. The impact in between the stumps, there is no doubt at all. Standing at the popping crease, trying to play it on the onside. He's a dead duck there.
Yeah, absolutely. The height is not the issue. The line is within the stumps. The impact is a bang in front of the stumps. And he's in no position to play that shot. That's gone. That's gone. That's hitting possibly the middle of the middle stump. The original decision is out. And it should stay that way. There it is. That's the confirmation for you. The main guy, Rajiv, who was batting so well and made a magnificent 78, has to go. Just faced 44 deliveries with a strike rate of 177. It's 137 for 4.
So these 2 wickets from Shabbir Ahluwalia has come at the right time for the Mumbai Heroes. I'm sure it will rejuvenate them to come back and restrict the Bulldozers. He bowled quite well. 2 wickets in 2 overs for Shabbir Ahluwalia.
Well, most definitely the one which will please him would be the last one. Rajiv was going great guns. Shabbir Ahluwalia has come and bowled an excellent spell. Another fine over comes to an end. After 15, it's 138 for 4.